Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Starz on. We click on settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about Starz on, and you will go here to this window. Then in this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here in this page you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us, bell icon, subscribe. See you next time.